Hello and welcome. I'm Saeed from StoryPlanet.net. Dive right into the essence of the most captivating books without reading them cover to cover. Whether you're on the go, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we offer you a unique and enriching listening experience. Today, we are exploring the book, Cooking Up a Business, a creation by Rachel Hofstetter. Cooking Up a Business, 2013, is a must-read for any food lover who has become an entrepreneur. Whether you're trying out a new product or need to breathe new life into your company's strategy, these book summaries provide valuable guidance and insights through real-life stories from successful business owners. Before we delve into these revelations, it's interesting to note that Rachel Hofstetter is a passionate food writer who contributes to esteemed publications such as the Oprah magazine and Reader's Digest. Additionally, she is the talented creator behind Guesterly, a service that produces informative pamphlets featuring attendees' profiles for both personal and corporate events. With 6 key ideas to unveil, brace yourself for a deep dive into this captivating book. On StoryPlanet.net. To start, the text is encouraging individuals to pursue their dream of becoming a foodie entrepreneur. It emphasizes on the individual's personal gain and fulfillment by living their dream. These summarizer are about fulfilling your dreams of becoming a food entrepreneur and starting your own food business. They provide advice from successful professionals in the industry and discuss the challenges you may face. Regulations, offering freebies, and meeting the needs of consumers are key factors for success. Key idea number 1. The lack of funding can be seen as an opportunity rather than a limitation. It encourages hard work and resourcefulness. Maddie D'Amato and Alex Hasulak started Love Grown Foods with limited funding. They cooked and packaged their granola at night while working other jobs during the day. They sold their product to neighborhood coffee shops and eventually landed big deals with Aspen City Market and King Soopers. Love Grown Foods quickly scaled and was stocked in 1,300 stores within 18 months. Key idea number 2. It is important to maintain your brand story regardless of changes in your product. Starting a food business doesn't necessarily require a specific product in mind, as the best ideas often emerge through trial and error. Examples include Zach Zeidman, who initially wanted to support organic farmers in Costa Rica and ended up successfully selling chocolate instead of banana vinegar. Another example is entrepreneurs Shannon Swanson and Leanne Weintraub, who started their business with the goal of providing organic baby food but eventually switched to kids' fruit snacks while staying true to their brand values. Key idea number 3. To effectively manage the challenge of scaling, it is important to maintain control over production and be willing to adapt and change course if necessary. Food entrepreneurs often start with a recipe cooked in their home kitchen, but scaling up to a multi-state business is challenging. Mary Waldner's gluten-free cracker business, Mary Gone Crackers, grew in popularity, but she struggled with control and quality when she opened a co-packing operation. Waldner secured venture capital and opened her own factory to regain control and improve quality, even if it meant slower growth. On the other hand, Phil Anson faced difficulties scaling his fresh burrito wholesale business due to food regulations. He switched to frozen food, resulting in his evil brand of frozen burritos being stocked in 7,000 stores compared to 400 for his fresh product. Key idea number 4. Consider seeking short-term credit or equity partners to address a lack of capital. Funding can be a challenge for food businesses due to expensive manufacturing processes and shelf-life issues. One strategy is to sell products to retailers before purchasing supplies. Cameron Hughes. Wine buys surplus wine in bulk from producers and sells it under their own label. They use a line of credit from bulk retailers to purchase the wine. Another strategy is to offer equity and shares in the company. Justin's Nut Butters gave shares to a senior businessman who helped them grow their business. This allowed them to attract more investors and expand. Key idea number 5. A successful product should meet a market need, whether it is simple or luxurious. Success in the food business comes from identifying a need for your product. Cara Goldin created a flavored drink made without sugar to address her family's desire for a healthier alternative. Katrina Markov recognized the need for a high-quality chocolate that catered to refined tastes and created her brand, Vosges Haut Chocolat, with luxurious packaging and branding to reflect the product. Key idea number 6. One effective way to generate excitement for your business is to utilize free samples and personal promotions. Sample promotions are an effective way to get customers engaged with your product. Advertising your samples at locations where your target audience spends time or shops can be a successful strategy. Pop Chips used this approach, targeting health-conscious individuals in Los Angeles and influential celebrities in New York. By doing so, they managed to stock their product in over 2,000 stores in Manhattan within a year. These examples demonstrate the power of strategic marketing campaigns. In conclusion, turning a passion for locally grown food, healthy eating, or fair trade into a successful food business is possible with resourcefulness, creativity, and holding firm to your brand's values. Despite challenges like funding and scaling, success comes to those who stay true to their values and offer innovative products. Thank you for listening to this summary. If you enjoyed this exploration, we invite you to discover other fascinating books on storyplanet.net. Don't wait any longer. A multitude of books, stories, and knowledge await you there. See you soon on storyplanet.net.